Is your refrigerator freezing your food instead of just cooling it? This video will guide you through 7 simple DIY fixes to help you stop the deep freeze and restore your appliance to proper working order. First, understand the normal operating range. Fresh food should be kept between 1 and 4 degrees Celsius. Remember, water freezes at 0 degrees, so keeping your fridge within this safe zone is essential. Follow the golden rule of troubleshooting. Always check for simple causes first. Avoid assuming there is a major mechanical failure before you have investigated the basic settings and physical setup of your unit. Fix number 1 is to set your temperature correctly. Remember that higher numbers on a dial typically create more cooling. Set your dial to the medium position and wait 24 hours for the temperature to stabilize. Fix 2. Create a rear air gap. The rear wall of your refrigerator becomes very cold, and food touching it may freeze. Always leave enough space between your items and the wall to allow for proper air circulation. Fix 3 is to clear your cold air vents. These vents are how cold air enters the compartment, and if they are blocked by food, they can trap freezing air. Keep items away from these fan openings. Fix 4. Reduce the internal load. An overstuffed refrigerator blocks necessary airflow, causing cold air to pool in certain areas. Try to leave sufficient space between containers to ensure even cooling throughout. Fix 5 is testing your door gasket. If the seal is bad, warm air enters, causing the compressor to run longer and overcool the unit. Use the paper slip test to verify that your seal is still tight. Fix 6. Inspect for thick frost. Excessive ice buildup can block airflow and indicate a broken defrost system. Importantly, never use tools to chip away at ice, as this can cause permanent damage to your unit. Fix 7 is to measure the actual heat. Digital displays can sometimes be inaccurate. Place a dedicated thermometer in the center of your refrigerator to check the real temperature yourself. Analyze the vulnerability matrix. Certain items, like water-rich vegetables, freeze much faster than others. Knowing which items are most sensitive helps you avoid placing them near the colder air spots. Check your ambient environment. If your refrigerator is in a room that is too cold, the thermostat may behave unexpectedly, causing the compressor to run continuously. Verify that your unit is in a safe operating range. Know when to call a professional. If you have tried these adjustments and the temperature remains unchanged, or if you suspect a faulty sensor or stuck damper, it is time to seek expert help. A word of caution: always protect the refrigerant lines. Low refrigerant is rarely the cause of freezing issues. Never puncture the evaporator or attempt to guess refrigerant levels. Leave that to the professionals. Master this diagnostic checklist. By following this sequence and focusing on the simple, non-invasive fixes first, you can effectively troubleshoot your refrigerator and keep your food at the perfect temperature.